Hello, my dear listeners. My name is John. I am 40 years old. Today, I want to share something special with you, my hobby and how it helps me improve my English. I think everyone should have a hobby. A hobby gives us joy. It makes our minds fresh and happy. A good hobby also teaches us to be patient and disciplined. These things help in life. My hobby is gardening. I love my small garden. Every day, I spend time with my plants. In front of my house, I have a little garden. It has many green plants and colorful flowers. I water them every morning. The smell of wet soil in the morning makes me feel calm and peaceful. I grow roses, sunflowers, and marigolds. They look beautiful. They make my home feel alive. Sometimes butterflies and bees visit my garden. They fly around the flowers. I love to watch them. I also grow vegetables like tomatoes, green chilies, and spinach. My mother cooks them sometimes. When I eat vegetables from my garden, I feel proud. I grew them with love. When I work in the garden, I forget my stress. My heart feels light. My mind feels cool. Even on busy or sad days, touching plants makes me feel better. Gardening teaches me to slow down and enjoy small things. My father helps me in the garden. He teaches me how to plant seeds and care for plants. He says, plants are like children. You must give them time, love, and care. I always remember this. My mother supports me too. Every morning, she gives me water for the plants. She smiles and says, John, your garden is beautiful. Sometimes my friends come to see my garden. They say, wow, John, your flowers are so pretty. I feel proud. We take photos in the garden. I also teach them a little about flowers. Now you may ask, how does gardening help you learn English?
Let me tell you, when I work in my garden, I speak in English. I say things like, I am watering the plants. These flowers are red. The leaves are green. Speaking like this helps me use English every day. I feel like the plants are my silent friends. They listen to me when I speak. I have learned many new words: soil, seeds, roots, leaves, petals, and stem. I also write about my garden in a notebook. I write simple sentences like, my garden is small. It has many flowers. I water it every day. Gardening makes me happy. Writing helps me improve my English. I write slowly, but I try every day. I also write small poems about flowers and plants. It is fun and creative. I watch English gardening videos. I learn new words and ideas. I enjoy these videos. Sometimes I stop the video and speak the sentences out loud. It helps me speak better. I read books about plants in English. I read slowly. I write down new words. I draw small pictures beside the words. It helps me remember them. Sometimes I teach my friends some English words. I show them a flower and say, this is a rose. This is a sunflower. These are leaves. We learn together and enjoy. We also play small English games using plant names. It makes learning fun. My teacher says, "Good job, John. You are using your hobby to learn English. That is very smart." I also dream of seeing big gardens in other countries, like in London, Japan, and America. One day I want to walk in those gardens and speak in English. I want to ask people, how do you grow your flowers? What plants do you like? I want to learn from them. I want to share my ideas too in English. My hobby helps me dream big. It gives me reasons to practice English daily. Gardening and English are like seeds. If you care for them, they grow strong. I believe every student can use their hobby to learn English. Maybe you like singing. You can sing English songs and learn new words. Maybe you like drawing. You can say, "I draw a house." "I draw a flower." You can also explain your drawings in English to your friends. Maybe you like football. You can say, "I pass the ball." "I score a goal." You can also watch football in English and listen to what players say.
These small sentences help you speak English every day. Speaking daily makes your English better. My teacher always says, English is not just in your books, it is around you. Use it every day. That simple advice changed my life. So I follow this advice. I watch English videos. I read simple stories. I speak English with my parents. Sometimes I talk to myself in English when I water the plants. It may feel funny at first, but it really works. Sometimes I even dream in English, especially about gardens and flowers. I say to my parents, "This flower needs water. That plant needs sunlight." They feel happy. I feel proud. My confidence grows when I speak English. Even in small ways, it feels like planting seeds in my mind. I know gardening and English are my friends. They help me become smarter and happier. Both need daily care, time, and love, and both give beautiful results if you stay patient. One day, I want to make a big garden. I want to teach children how to grow plants. I will say, gardening is fun. Plants are our friends. I will show them how to talk to plants and speak kindly in English. That way, they will learn nature and language together. I want to invite children from other countries to visit my garden. We will learn together. We will sing songs, tell stories, and enjoy the fresh air. I also want to make videos about my garden. I will speak in English in those videos. I will speak slowly and clearly. People who are learning English can understand me. Yes, I will speak in English in all my garden videos. I believe my dream will come true. I just need to practice daily, care for my plants, and care for my English too. Dreams grow slowly, like trees, but they grow. We just have to keep going, step by step. Dear friends, remember this. A hobby is not just for fun. It is also your teacher. Use your hobby to speak English. Say small words, make short sentences, and repeat them every day. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. You will see the magic. Your English will grow, just like a flower. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you feel happy and inspired. If you have a hobby, start using it to learn something new today. Please share this story with your friends. Tell them we can learn English through our hobbies. See you next time. Take care. Keep smiling. Keep speaking. And keep growing your English. Bye bye, my dear friends.